Hello, we are a group of nursing students from the Jordanian University here to talk about obesity, which is a pandemic problem. First, we are going to define obesity and categorize the people by their body mass index, which includes teaching you how to measure your height and weight correctly. Then we will talk about factors causing and increasing obesity, including non-modifiable factors that you can't help and wrong behaviors you should stop doing. Finally, we are going to give you a few tips for healthy eating so you will be able to prevent or reverse obesity. Obesity is correctly defined as an abnormal accumulation of body fat by 20% or more over ideal body weight. Now, to calculate your BMI, you need to correctly measure your height and weight. Measure your height by marking the highest point of your scalp on a wall or door. Then measure the height of that mark. Measure your weight early in the morning when you have had enough sleep, after going to the bathroom, and before eating or drinking or exercising. Wear light clothes and no accessories. Place your scale on the bare floor facing a specific direction in a cool room, and know that digital scales are least accurate. Your body mass index is your weight in kilograms over your height in meters per square. Normal BMI value ranges from 18.5 to 24.9, while obese ranges from 30 to 34. The non-modifiable risk factors causing obesity in individuals are genetics. Genetics contribute 25% of obesity in obese individuals, leaving 3/4 to lifestyle and other factors, which you can notice in families that all show the same weight class. Ethnicity. Research shows that some races are more prone to obesity than others. For example, this chart shows that among women, African American and Mexican American have most tendency to become obese, while among men, the Caucasians hold the highest percentage. Socioeconomic status. As this study shows, obesity rates visibly decrease as income levels increase, usually due to those people's lack of resources. Birth weight. It has been proven that women who gained more weight during pregnancy gave birth to heavier babies who tended to become obese later in life. Now to those risk factors that you are causing and you can change. First, you can stop skipping meals, whether because you are busy or because you want to cut calories and lose weight. You need those 3 meals a day, and you need to eat your portions of fruits and vegetables. Meanwhile, you don't need those sweetened food and beverages or energy-dense snacks that give you plenty of calories with minimum nutrients. Home meals are very healthy, even if they mimic restaurant food and is more sanitary. Portion sizes speak of the amount of calories you are receiving and should be governed by your own size. Eating while watching TV or being otherwise distracted leads to eating larger amounts than you should, so sit down and focus on eating next time. Fat diets are those not based on scientific grounds. Those diets demand large restrictions on intake and offer non-realistic goals and usually have severe side effects. Here is what you can do. Evaluate your behavior for unhealthy habits like those we just discussed. Pay attention to your mood when you're eating. Find other means of expressing your emotions. Distribute your caloric intake throughout the day to consume more frequent meals and snacks. Eat slowly, allowing your brain time to regulate your body's digestion of what you consume. Eat your favorite foods on a regular basis. Never deprive yourself of what you love, but take smaller amounts and lower the amount of fat if you can. Finally, it is very important to stay positive and determined, and healthy eating always goes hand in hand with exercise. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you pay a bit more attention to your next meal.